Hi, welcome to lecture number 4. In this video, we are going to see about the commands of a circle, arc and polygon. First, make the plane normal to. In circle, there are two types of circle, center point circle and perimeter circle. Let me see one by one. In center point circle, we need to give the center point and radius of the circle. This one is center point, and we need to give the radius of the circle. This circle is called center point circle. And perimeter circle, we need to give the 3 points of circle perimeter. First point, second point and third point we can give. This is the perimeter circle. Let me see the difference between these two. Suppose I want to make a circle here. First I am selecting the circle, center point circle. This one is center point, and I want to make this circle. We can make that one. Suppose I am taking the perimeter. So I want to make a circle that should touch the 3 lines of the rectangle. This will be very useful for drawing the circle that should touch the 3 lines of rectangle or any usage area. We can use this circle. Next, let me see the arcs. Suppose there is a rectangle. Now I am moving to the arc command. First of all, center point arc. Here we want to give center point and the starting point of the arc and end point of arc. Center point, starting point and the end point. This one is the center point, starting and end point arc. Next, tangent arc. It will be very useful for drawing the tangent arc. See, this one is first point and this will be tangent to the top line. We can draw the arc without any radius given. This one is 3-point arc. First point and second point, and this one is third point. We can give anywhere. This way we can use circles and arc. Next, let me see how to draw the polygons. Here we can change the number of faces. For example, 5 or 4. We can change the number of faces of polygons. 8. Here we can give the side values of polygon. Also I can make a circumscribe, inscribe, everything we can make here. It will be very useful for making the bolt and nuts and some kind of polygon shape object we can make by using these polygons. I am adding the relation here. Just select the line and make it horizontal. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me see in next video. Thank you.